has exclusively accessed the findings of the DGCA, which include safety lapses in aircraft maintenance procedures. Let's take a look at some of those findings by India's regulatory body for civil aviation. And multiple airports, what has now been said, that has now been inspected, and these are the certain lapses, what has now been said by the DGCA, that has been pointed, where there have been multiple cases of defects and reappearing many times on the aircrafts as well. Another lapse that also talks about the ground handling items such as baggage trolleys, front, that has been found to be as far as unserviceable. There have been line maintenance stores and tool control procedures. What is also being said according to this report that were not followed, and during the maintenance of the aircraft, the work order was also not followed. Another lapse that speaks of safety precautions not taken as per the aircraft maintenance manual as well, the manual not being followed, and one of those lapses also speaks of the life vests that were not properly secured beneath the designated seats on board the aircraft. There have also been reports of corrosion resistance tapes on winglet's lower blade that were supposedly damaged, and there has been obstruction limitation data that has also not been updated for the last 3 years. Also, one of the lapses speaks of no survey despite new construction around the vicinity of the aerodrome as well. All of these lapses are said to be part of the report. Now, as per the DGCA, all of these findings that have been observed during the surveillance have been now communicated to the concerned operators for taking necessary corrective actions within 7 days. DGCA further says that the process of comprehensive surveillance will continue in the future to detect hazards in the system. Let's get in a word from Arunil now, who's joining us live. Arunil, good morning. The lapses there, some of them very serious in nature, but cannot be let go as far as when it comes to increased surveillance that is now being done by the DGCA.
Well, that is right. Basically, these are two of the most busiest airports in India, the Delhi airport and Mumbai airport. Basically, a sudden, unexpected surveillance was carried out by the DGCA, which is the regulatory body of India's aviation industry. And several serious lapses that you also pointed out for our viewers were communicated to these two airports as well. A time frame of 7 days has been given by the DGCA to put the house in order. Some of the lapses are extremely serious. In fact, on one of the runways, the center line markings had faded. The ground handling operations had some serious discrepancies. Aircrafts also showed repeated defects as well. All this has been basically also points out towards ineffective and inadequate.
So the concerned operators have now been advised to take necessary corrective action within 7 days, as the DGCA further says that the process of comprehensive surveillance will continue to detect hazards in the system. Arunil, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We are into a short break right now. The morning news are coming up on the other side of a very short break.